Hello everybody, my name is InspirAspir and welcome back to my second installment of my Launchpad light effect tutorial series. Last week I showed you how to make a pinwheel effect that I use in a lot of my videos, and today, if you couldn't tell by the intro, I'm going to make a video or an effect that looks like this. This was requested by one of you guys. I can't remember your name at the moment, I'm sorry, but I think you requested this effect. You requested a double wave effect, and whether or not this is the one that you requested, I think it still looks cool, and I think you guys might enjoy it. So we're going to go ahead and follow along. I'll explain how I make this effect. Maybe you can use it in some of your own Launchpad videos. So again, this is what it looks like. I already have my MIDI clips set up and everything. If you don't know how to do that, I have a Launchpad light show tutorial series that you can watch. I'll leave the link in the description. You can watch all those videos, and if you do, you'll be caught up and you can follow along. But we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. It's actually a pretty simple effect once you boil it down. We're going to go ahead and start in this bottom corner. We're going to make, we're going to start with this light right here, and we're going to have it shoot across and then back. So I'm just going to go ahead and touch the pads that I want, and as they light up, I'll draw on the notes that relate to it. So I made it go, let's solo this so you can only see this. So we're just looking at this right now. I'll speed this up just so you can, or slow it down, I mean, so you can see what's happening. So we have it bouncing across, and then I'm actually just going to do the same effect bouncing across, but offset by one grid spacing. So right now, as you can see, I'm using a 16th. You can use whatever size you want. You can always change the speed later, but you can see I have these grids right here, these little squares, or rectangles rather, but those are the grid, that's the grid size that I'm working on. And so if you hold Alt on your computer and drag, you can copy your effect while moving it, while still keeping the original one. And so all I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it to where this one is, right here. And as you can see, they'll both be moving across at the same time. And you could do that all the way up if you want. That could make an interesting effect, just like moving across. But if you offset it by one, if you move it, like if you just click and drag it to be offset by one, then you get this little pattern right here. You could do that all the way up, because that's what we're going to do, is we're going to, click and drag while holding Alt, and move it up, just like that. Or you could highlight the whole thing that you have, hold Alt, and then you can actually just drop it on top of the existing one that you have, and that sort of builds off of it, and you can just keep doing that so you can quick and easily see where you need to put it, and then you just have what you need. As you can see, I went one too far. You can see this light right here bumps up, so I went one row too far, but after you do that, you have this effect right here. And then you can just either copy and paste it, or again, you can highlight it, hold Alt, and drag, and then you can inverse it. I explained that in some of my videos if you don't know what inversing or reversing does. But you can inverse it, and then we're already done. We have the effect that I showed you at the beginning. You can, at this point you can maybe like reverse one side to make that kind of effect. You can speed it up, slow it down. You can inverse the whole thing, reverse the whole thing. You can just kind of play around with it. Maybe have one going a different speed, I don't know. Or you can maybe add like fades to it. I explained fading in one of my videos. You can just kind of play around with it. So there you go. I know this was a short video, but I just wanted to put something out for you guys. Like I said before, finals week is coming up for me, so I unfortunately can't focus too much time on the channel, but I still like putting out content for you guys. So hopefully you enjoyed this, even though it was a short video. Please leave a comment in the video if you have a light effect that you want me to teach to you guys, because I'm all for it. I like making these videos, but I don't know which effects you would want to watch or want to learn how to make. So yeah, thanks for watching. As always, I appreciate it, and I will see you all in the next video. See ya.